mic.
We, members of the Nigerian Governors Forum, at our meeting held today, deliberated on issues affecting the country. The forum received a presentation from the African Medical Center of Excellence, funded by Afrexim Bank, a world-class hospital, and specialized techniques and latest and modern equipments to be managed by first-class medical experts in special areas of treatment on oncology, cardiovascular issues, hematological cares, and other comprehensive general medical checks. So, and the governors committed to supporting Afrexim Bank for this initiative. They are going to work with King's College Hospital, London, and it's going to be a referral center of excellence for all medical challenges. We also received the Chief Executive Officer of NPC, who briefed us on the total subsidy removal and the challenges facing the corporation and his plans to alleviate the sufferings of our people occasioned by the increase in pump prices. We saw with him and also interrogated some of the presentations he made. It is our hope that things are going to be better any moment from now. We sympathize with our people. We know that there is hardship in the country. We also appreciate the reforms being carried out by the president. Our prayer is that as soon as possible that the relief we are looking for should come, so that we can begin to leverage on the benefits of the reforms and then have a better Nigeria. The Director General, the new Director General of the Department of Security Service, also briefed us on new strategy to stop the rate of insecurity, all the security challenges in the country, and how to fight cases of kidnapping, banditry, and activities of unknown gunmen. And we also committed to giving him support and to close the rank in a very proper and better synergy, working at the subnationals to ensure that Nigeria is secure, the environment is safe, for not only the government, but also the private sector to do their businesses. We will collaborate with them. The Office of the National Security Advisor appointed a director to liaise with the state governments for closer relationships. She also appeared before us, spoke very eloquently, presented her plans, and we committed to also working with her. I think things are getting better by the day. We pray that with all these arrangements in place, the cost of living will come down. The cost of doing businesses in Nigeria will also come down and become more affordable. So Nigerian Governors Forum, we are also committed to supporting Mr. President and ensure that the interests of our people properly protected. And it is our belief that Nigeria is a great country, and anything that will bring or cause disunity among our people, our citizens, should be discouraged. We need to be united as a people. We need to support the government. We need to work for the interests of our people and our national interests also protected. So we should have hope. Under the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, supported by both the subnational government and all of us as citizens, there will be no better security than us being united, working together as a people, and believing in our country. Yes, I think it's okay. That's it.
Yes, sir, listen. What are some of the specifics that the NNPC GMA said regarding subsidy removal? Because as we speak, we still have the queues despite the fact that the prices
it
are
is
high.
something that is being looked up. If you look at the news, you see that the Dangote refinery has come on with also capacity to supply products. I don't think that you or me will be happy as a Nigerian, an OPEC member, producing crude oil, relying on importation for our people to make use of petroleum products. So we must encourage the homegrown solution that the president just introduced. Encouraging Dangote refinery, we should repair our Port Harcourt refinery, repair our Warri refinery, repair our Kaduna refinery, and then produce what we eat and eat what we produce. We shouldn't rely on importation of fuel. For me, it is an aberration, an issue, to rely on importation of petroleum products as an oil-producing country. Which other member of OPEC country of our status is not refining crude oil in their country? So we shouldn't encourage that. I think I want to support buying petroleum product in Naira, buying crude oil in Naira, refining it here. If you refine petroleum products locally, you create jobs for people. You will cure unemployment. You will keep people busy. You will reduce crime. And then you will also be proud to answer an oil-producing nation.
Excellency, we saw the former vice president in the work.
Yes, he led the African Bank team that came with the hospital.